Hi guys, so I am back with a quick little project. I purchased a digital kit from Artymaze and it's the Alice in Wonderland. I purchased it yesterday and I had to do a quick little project just to play with it. So I really didn't go crazy embellishing and anything like that because I just wanted to make something really fast before the weekend got here. So this is what I came up with. It is a hardback book. So I used one of the images for the front cover. I did some stitching around the cover. I glossy accented the keyhole, and I had a metal piece, which is like a handle. I'll give you a profile so you can see it. It's a, it's a door handle, and I just put it there, for that special effect. I put it on with glossy accents, so it's not going anywhere. And I glossy accented and German glass glittered the outline of the roses to give it that extra sparkle. And Alice's shoes. I have some red crochet trim on some of the pages, and then for the spine I have just some of the paper stitched on. I have this door pull, or drawer pull, and I have this in my shop as well. And I just have a cute tassel with some pearls and laces and trims. And then I have a key, metal key that I just glossy accented and German glass glittered metal key that I had. And then, for the Alice, the door, the key. And then I have a clock, a stopwatch is what it is, and then a little lock. And then this is the back of it, also stitched around. And everything in the book is Artymaze, so I'm not gonna, say this is from the kit, this is from the kit, because everything in here is from the kit. So I gave it a seam binding closure. So you open it up and this is what it looks like. It's got a front pocket here, and this is I think it's like 2 large tickets. And I just did some stamping, red roses. And this book belongs to, so that goes in here. Look at the bunny just peeking out of the pocket. And it says tea time. I did quite a bit of stitching on this one as well. All of the mats here have been backed up with and stitched onto coffee dye paper, and all of the trim have been stitched on the edges of the pages too. They have been literally stitched on. So let's do a quick flip through. I did put some of my eco dyed paper on it because it was roses that I eco dyed it with. And then I have these waxed craft baggies. These are on in my shop as well. And I just made this one into a pocket and made it like a tea, like a tea, what is it, a tea pool type of thing, with some twine, and distressed the edges. And all of the distressing that I did here was with Tim Holtz Fire Brick, I think it is. So I made it look like a little tea bag. And that just goes in there, and because I'm backwards, it's giving me in. So that just hangs from there. These images are so cute. And I fuzzy cut some of the images out of the kit. I can't remember these little guys' names, but they're so cute. So that is one of the tags on. There's some stitching there. Doily. Tracing paper. This is one of the large tags, and I just put some pink, stitched some pink seam binding off the tag back onto some coffee dye paper, and that just goes in that pocket. So you have a lot of space for journaling. And the journal, because I did the hollow back binding, it sits pretty flat as well, so it's very comfortable for writing. This is, you know, I'm bummed out because I wanted to literally stitch this onto the signature and I totally forgot. But I have the file folder, so this is a folder and you can just use it however you want to store stuff in it. So that can just go right into that belly band. It's a really cute folder with the little cups and the stopwatch. So that goes in there. This is a Vellum Envelope, the bunny rabbit. It says danger rabbit hole. And it goes into this little vellum pocket envelope that I have, and I have some crochet trim in there. And here's the rabbit, and I made him into a corner tuck, and he holds that there. More crochet trim. This collection is really cute. Cheshire Cat Wonderland. This is a coin envelope, and I just made a hinge out of lace. It doesn't have anything in it, but you can put something in it. So I just put it on the hinge so you don't lose the sheet. And it's got the cute little rabbit there. Another doily. The other side of that craft baggie. More eco dye paper. Little mason jar, and I just turned it into a flip out, and it has some, I put this down because it looks to me like grass, and it has the little you know, beads and stuff dangling from it. And in here there is a coin envelope type deal with a card. And I stamped a red rose, and that just goes in there for journaling, and it goes tucked in behind that mason jar. I just put some trim there. This is a fern letter. I like to put this extra coffee dye paper that I just fold into a letter, and you can use it for journaling. That's a flip, and it has some trim on the top. And look at that image. Paint the roses red. And I used, this is the fabric that I used for my binding. Another fern letter with another flip and some little crochet trim there. And that's Alice. Another doily. I used the Hatter's hat here as a tuck, and it says, "Have I gone mad? I'm afraid so. You're entirely bonkers." So cute. And then I have a dictionary entry here for madman and madness, and I just have that up top right here. Right there. And then here we got the Hatter. Tea time. And more tracing paper. And here's that queen. She's so mean. Another little coin envelope on lace. Another baggie. This is another vellum envelope. He's so cute. So I did a lot of stitching on these tags. And he just goes right in there, and there's more crochet in there, crochet trim. And here's another belly band. And another one of these folders that you can just use for storing all kinds of things in there. More journaling pages. And I made another one of these like tea bag things. I love these. It's so cute. This collection is really cute. I love it. And I'm backwards, so I don't even see what I'm doing. Come on, get in there. Okay, I'll put that in later because I am backwards. I can't see. I am totally behind the camera, so I don't even see where I'm going with it. Some more of that collection, and then a large tag. And another tag. And I used one of the cutter parts, and I just made another pocket here with all the teacups. And there's that queen again. And another mason jar. And a little tag. And more of that trim. And look at the petal of that eco dye paper. I love it. Another doily. And this says, "I'm not crazy, my reality is just different from yours." I love that. And then I fussy cut, this is the cutter parts from the kit. It's Alice, and I fussy cut her out, and I used her as a little tuck spot there. And then this is the playing cards as well. I just cut them out, and I used them as a tuck spot. And how long is forever? Sometimes just 1 second. And then we have another big tag here. And that is that one. It's a quick, fast little project that I just wanted to put together. And this is already listed on my Etsy shop if you're interested. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're interested in this Alice in Wonderland, stop in and take a peek. And I think I'll be making maybe another one, but a smaller one. I don't know. Let's see. So for now, this is the only one that I have, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you in the next video.